It's March 7th at Kabalebo Nature Resort, and I'm waking up again with the jungle. Today, the rest of our group is going to leave. Most people only stay here 3 or 4 days. The group that we came in with is going to leave, and a new group will come in. But that means that Cory and I have pretty much done all the basic programs that they do for the 3-4 day guest. So that means today we get to go out with Terrell all by ourselves and do a path that not everybody else is going to do. I'm very excited to have a little personalized attention today.
There's nothing in the field again. Small deer.
Yeah.
We have a local name. Kriyaku.
In Africa, they have a very small one. It's called dik-dik, because the sound it makes is dik-dik-dik-dik-dik-dik-dik-dik.
The juice of what we call the poison tree.
Oh.
Aromata.
Does it make you sick or itch?
No. This one, the bark. We use the bark against poison snake bites.
Okay. Oh, okay. So it's not the tree that's poisoned.
Yeah, the tree is poison.
Yes.
It's a poison tree. Sometimes we cut this tree into pieces when we want to make a curare poison. We boil it with other mushrooms, the poison vines, and then we have a poison that we make of tree from the forest, and then we give the hunters a small bottle like this.
Yes.
Just to when you're gonna see some birds or monkeys, you just tip it. It's the blowpipe.
Yes. We have one
Okay.
at home.
But yes, when you have bitten, then this we put on the wound.
Okay. To pull out.
Yes, to pull it out. And you don't want to do anything. Just put it, tie it, wait. You don't have to be in panic or run away. No.
Yeah, just easy.
Yes, you just stand still. But one bite is very painful.
Yes.
It hurts a lot.
Have you been bitten?
No.
That's good.
A colleague, friend of mine, one time. And we peel it just like sugar cane. And then we chew on it. That's to slow the process so that it cannot go in your bloodstream. And then you chew on it. And it's sour. How much as you can eat. They turn black.
And that means they're ready?
Ready to harvest. Then you climb in the tree, cut it.
How do you climb that tree?
Not with rubber boots.
No. That's why there's always special boys.
Yes.
That
skinny
that will the food that they eat is different than what we is eating.
Yeah.
Also a termite nest. In the end, it will go all the way up, and yeah, the tree will die. But most of them, you see the one just like it's round, like
Buguru maka,
maca. That's for
like coconut.
But in early days, they had a project to make oil out of it.
And big spikes.
Yes.
Do you use these for blow darts?
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do.
Fishing hooks.
No.
Oh,
And also
tattoos.
for tattoos.
Tattoos.
Yeah, tattoos.
Yes.
Now only the maroon is using it. One time I
poison Dieffenbachia.
saw on Facebook, and one girl, 8 years old, she have some leaves, she eats some, and yeah, right away she went in a coma. And a cat from Holland, some guests had it as plants in their balcony, and the cats eat it, and it also dies. Every time you put two sides, tie it, two again.
Okay.
Depends how much meter your roof on.
And if it's raining, you have umbrella.
And then you put it just like this to close your roof.
Like shingles.
Shingles, yes. Acai.
Okay.
When you have a lot
of
this
yeah.
is the good one.
Good acai berry. Kamina for the rope. Maripa.
This one is not good.
Yeah.
It's old. Okay.
Yeah, you can also eat it.
Yeah. It's tasty.
The color and the bark, it's easily come out.
That's a water vine.
See the spikes?
Oh, yes. Kind of like the bamboo hairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is what you're gonna...
The nut.
The nut.
Like a coconut.
Like a coconut. Very hard. And when it's soft, you can eat it, but when it drops down, you cannot.
Is it okay to taste?
Yeah, you do.
Coconut.
And
Cacao.
this
is her favorite tree.
That's what I was about to say. This is my favorite tree.
And it's the animal that brought the seed here.
You don't have a lot of cacao here?
This, we had plantation
yes.
Okay.
long time ago. Sugarcane, coffee,
Rum.
cocoa. Yes, but now some places, but not much. You can find some tea. You don't have that drop anymore. So. You don't have that drop anymore. So. We also use it to make furniture.
Oh.
In Guyana, they make a lot of furniture with this kind of vine. Just like rotan.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you have to cure it first. Otherwise, if you clean it right away, it will irritate your hand.
Yeah.
You have to boil it in water and leave it for
to dry.
And when it's dry, then you can start
Work with
it. Not poisonous. This will hook on you, but this one will cut you.
Yeah.
Razor grass.
Yeah, the razor grass.
Yes. Okay.
Not very good, but
using that often. If you want to use them again, you have to go
yes. machete and
A group of colleagues go. This one is